Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport featuring an Opulent Blue Metallic with a Cirrus interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, wireless device charging, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, a power sunroof, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with memory seating, Bose speakers, powered windows and mirrors, cup holder down below, as well as our power liftgate controls and our main Bose speaker down below. Moving on to the seats, down to the bottom left, we have the power seating and power lumbar. Popping inside, just to the left, we have the power park brake and head-up display. Looking at the steering wheel, to the left, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel, and to the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Turning the vehicle on, we can move our attention to the infotainment system here and start off with the audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Moving on to the navigation system, here's our map. It's also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You can throw it in reverse here. Take a look at the backup camera and the HD surround vision. Below that, we have our climate controls with heated and ventilated front seats for both driver and passenger, some storage, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console here. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. At the top is the rear view mirror. We have OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps, and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back here. We have some XT6 and Cadillac badging, and we can open it up by just double clicking on the key fob. Opening up back here, we have some power controls to the right. These are to drop the second and third row seats down, making a ton of extra storage. There's some more hidden storage down below, extra space. And we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door, Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats here, we have the manual seat adjustments to the bottom left, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat, we have magazine holders, rear climate control. We have 2 USBs with a little light. We can also pull this out to reveal a cup holder with some extra storage here. Up top, you'll find handles paired with a dome light and vents matched on the other side. And in the third row of seating, we have dome lights with a vent on either side, as well as cup holders and 2 USB-C plugins. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.